Start with the back wheels. Line up each wheel with the axle slot, then press firmly until you hear a click. Push each front wheel pin into the fork until it clicks. Stand the frame upright so it's stable and ready to open. Release the latch near the handlebar, then lift until the frame clicks open and feels solid. Hold the canopy connectors onto both sides of the seat, then pull the canopy forward to check it glides smoothly. Place the rim on top of the fabric. Make sure the rim support pieces slide fully into the side pockets. Slide one rod through the fabric channel, making sure it also passes through the channel on the rim. Repeat on the other side with the second rod. Snap both rods into place underneath the carry handle until they are fully secured. Then tuck the carry handle tabs neatly into the fabric to finish the assembly. If the seat is on the upper mounts, remove it first. Line it up with the lower mounts and push down until you hear both sides click. Press the tab under each upper mount and slide them onto the top positions marked with 3 dots. Hook the shopper basket onto the upper mounts until it clicks on both sides.